Hey guys, Sean with American Window Concepts, and today I got a good one for you. Let's talk about the low E coatings and what kind of value they bring to your window package. Let's talk about that. What we have here is something that I have in my showroom that I like to show customers that come in, and we want to show them the differences in low E colors, right? And like the darkness of it, because with the higher performing low E, you do lose some visible light transmittance. There's a trade-off. Like if you tint your windows on your car and you're looking for, the best against glare, you're probably gonna go with a 5% or a 3%, just because you want it to be as dark as possible so you can get away from the heat. Now, when it comes to low E coatings, it's not a tint, all right? Like a 3M roll-on tint. This is different. Low E coatings are a metallic coating that are between the two panes of glass, okay? So you can't touch the coating, and it's not a film. It's a metallic silver oxide coating. It's really, really cool stuff, man. Very, very high performing. We can do single level low E, which is low E 180. And then you can do like 2 layers of low E, which is 270. This is standard. This low E right here is standard for California. It's what you're gonna normally get right out of the gate to meet Title 24 compliance. And for Anlin and for Milgard, they're not gonna charge you anything extra for this. I mean, it's a standard deal. Like, this is what you're gonna get with the window package, and it's no slouch. It's going to be the highest performing and the most visible light transmittance for California. Now, what we have here, branded by Anlin, Sun Matrix. This is 4 layers of low E, so 452. Also has that neat coating on the outside. This is something that we're gonna use for sunnier areas, okay? South facing, west facing. You wanna, go with something that's gonna be way higher performing. You might even wanna go on the east end because the sun comes up on the east and is basically baking that side of the house for a little while. The south side is getting it all day long, right? So if you have south facing windows that don't have any cover and they're just getting exposure to the sun all day, yeah, you're wanting something like this. And it's not that much more expensive. And we're talking maybe 5% more on the total cost of the window to have this, but you do it once. What's the trade-off? A little bit darker, okay? So you're going to trade a little bit of that higher performing window for a little bit of visible light transmittance. So if what you really, really want is all the light you can get, maybe you don't want this. Maybe what you want is this. Now, for the customer that's like, listen, upstairs, I got this south-facing window wall. It cooks in these areas of my house. Like it is uncomfortable by 5, 6 p.m. We can't go into that area of the home and relax until 10 or 11 p.m. That's ridiculous, okay? What we're gonna offer to somebody like that is this package here. Now, this is the darkest of the low E's. This is called G340. Branded by Anlin, Sunshield Max, neat coating on the outside, argon flooded. This is going to be the highest performing against heat gain. So if the biggest problem is heat, how hot it gets in those rooms, maybe the size of the windows are really large and all that energy from the sun is just coming right into your house. And you're like, listen, at the end of the day, I don't care if it's darker. I just want it to be comfortable in my house. Great. Then we're gonna go with this. And again, it's another 5 or 6% more than the Sun Matrix, but this is the cure-all. This is gonna be the one that is, hey man, we live in the desert and it gets 120 degrees and I need performance. Above all, we're just gonna deal with this because we just gotta make sure that the inside of your house is as cozy as possible when it's screaming hot outside, okay guys? I hope this answers any questions you may have. All right guys, make it a great day. Before you click off this video, if you live in the Ventura, LA, or Dallas-Fort Worth area and you are interested in a free in-home estimate, go to the website, click on the request. The link is down below in the descriptions. I will reach out to you. Thank you guys so much.